G'day guys, it's Tommy here at Raw Blend. Today I'm making a new soup recipe and I'm going to be using the Tribest Dynapro vacuum blender. Pretty cool blender to make soups in, and today I'm going to show you why. So I'm going to be making an asparagus and dill soup, something a little bit different. It's absolutely delicious. I'm going to start with 1.5 cups of veggie stock. So I'm using Massel vegetarian stock. Yeah, this is 100% vegan. It's a chicken flavor, it's all natural. About 375 ml. I've also got some coconut cream. I'm gonna put some of that in. Just about 1/2 cup. All my measurements are down the side of the container here, which makes it nice and easy. I'm just breaking off the hard ends of the asparagus. It's up to you, you can put them in if you like. So I've got 8 spears of asparagus, or about 1 bunch. Just gonna break that in half, throw it in. I've got 1 whole avocado, just a small avocado. Just squeeze that out there. This bit's a little bit brown, it's not gonna matter. It's all gonna be blended together, you're not gonna notice it. I'm gonna put in a nice handful of baby spinach and give it a beautiful green color and packed with nutrition. I've got some beautiful fresh dill here, and I'm gonna put a nice handful there. I'm gonna put in 1 clove of garlic. Just chop those little bits off. I'm gonna leave the skin on there. This is a high-powered blender. It's gonna pulverize everything nice and fine, so I don't have to worry about that. I've also got a medjool date. I've taken the pit out, of course, throw that in, so a little bit of sweetness for my soup. And now I'm just gonna season it a little bit. I've got some herbal salt. This is just all herbs with a little bit of sea salt. A really nice flavor, and some pepper. Just a nice bit of cracked pepper. Okay, wow, how beautiful does that look? The dill smells so amazing. So I'm gonna lock our lid into place. So with the vacuum blender, I've actually got a seal on the lid here. So I've got this vacuum pump. I'm gonna put that in place. It's gonna suck all the air out of the container. It's gonna create a vacuum in here. So when we suck all that air out, it's actually gonna heat up faster because it's under vacuum, and it's gonna last longer. It's actually gonna cook the soup using a friction heat. So no heating element, friction heat coming off the blade. Imagine if I did that 500 times a second, how hot my hands would get. These blades are spinning at 32,000 RPM. So let's press the button, away we go. So that'll just take about 30 seconds to suck all the air out, and then the vacuum pump will automatically switch off. Okay, so I'll remove the pump. So that sucked all the air out. Now we're blending in a vacuum. Now you might notice this little blue star on the front of the container. This is a really cool feature by Tribest. So this is thermochromatic ink. It's actually going to change color from blue to white when it starts heating up, when it starts getting to about 48 degrees Celsius or 118 degrees Fahrenheit, which is basically when food transfer from raw to non-raw. So pretty cool feature for any raw foodists. Now the Dynapro has over 700 program settings. So for the soup, I'm just gonna press combo, blend, blend, blend 3 times, and away we'll go. You'll notice it'll start jumping up for the first 20 seconds. That's just to get everything blending. And then it's gonna blend on high speed for the remaining 2.5 minutes, and it'll be nice and hot. And we'll notice this little blue star turning from blue to white. All right, let's go. Okay, that's done. That was only 3 minutes, cold water to hot water. I haven't boiled it, so I'm gonna release the seal here. Listen to this sound, you ready? Here we go. All right, so that's all the air being sucked out. See a little bit of steam come out, look at that. Pretty amazing, just from raw vegetables, cold water. We've made a beautiful raw soup in about 5 minutes. It smells so delicious. Fresh flavors from the dill, the avocado, the asparagus, smells so amazing. Really nice. Really fresh flavors from the dill. At this stage, if you want, you can put some more dill in the blender on a low speed just to chop it through, add a little bit more flavor and some more texture. I like to do that at home, and then I get some lime juice and pour it all over there. Absolutely delicious. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you've got any questions, please feel free to ask us in the comments below. Happy blending.